What's going on, guys? It's Juice Audio, and today I'm doing a quick and dirty comparison between the Kali Audio LP-UNFs and the Atom Audio D3Vs, alright? Both of the reviews are on my channel. I just posted the Atom Audios yesterday, and the Kalis have been out for a couple months now. Both of these monitors are amazing, and if I were to pick one or the other, I can't really make my mind up on that because they both have their strengths and weaknesses, and they both are a different design. So you might want one over the other because of the features it has, or the sound quality differences, or the construction, and we're going to talk about all that today. So let's get started with the obvious. What are the main differences between the two? So first of all, they both have quarter-inch inputs. They both have USB-C inputs. And other than the size and form factor, the Kali Audios have Bluetooth, right? The Atom Audios don't have Bluetooth, but they have a front headphone jack and a nice volume knob. So that alone might stop you there and be like, you know what? I don't care about Bluetooth. I want the headphone jack. Or you might be just using the Kalis at home for leisure listening and you want to slap some music for your friends. You might use the Bluetooth, right? While I've had these, I used the Bluetooth once. So we'll keep that in mind for what I'm going to talk about later. But other than that, the Kali Audios have a 1-inch dome tweeter with a 4-inch woofer with a front port, all right? Atom Audios have a 1.5 ribbon tweeter or art tweeter. Then we got a 3.5 aluminum woofer with a passive radiator system. The Kalis don't come with stands. The Atom Audios do come with stands and a thread on the bottom if you want to put these on mic stands and have them high up on your desk. If you look over here to the right, I got them both on stands just so you can see how they look compared to each other. And as you can tell, the Kali Audios are a lot bigger, right? The box is a lot bigger. So I'm sure you're going to know what I'm about to say next is when it comes to sound quality, the Kali Audios are going to take the win, right? These have a crazy soundstage. And almost every time I turn these on, I'm surprised how they sound. They sound freaking crazy. Like the bass gets super low and it is pretty pure and low distortion. The highs are really accurate and the soundstage is mad. Like when you put these up on stands, which I recommend, do not judge a speaker by having it on your desk because it sounds like garbage compared to having them on a stand. I'm sure on their websites they measure them in an anechoic chamber or on stands. So to get that measurement that they have, I would put them on stands no matter what, right? So yes, the Kali Audios take the win on the sound quality. But I mean, they're a bigger box. Of course, they better do that, right? Now, the Atom Audios do not lack in sound quality at all, actually. The tweeter is super good. The mid-range is really well done. The bass hits really low, but it's not accurate bass. It's going to be more inflated or... Because let's keep it real. It's a 3.5-inch woofer. Like, what is that going to do? But with the help of the passive radiators, it really has some weight to it, and you'll be surprised listening to these how much bass they actually have, right? So moving to other differences where Atom Audio is going to take the win is the refined design and build quality. Like these are built like tanks. You can hear this. They are solid. Like I am not scared to take these anywhere, like literally throw them in a backpack and call it a day. They have a metal grill over the woofer, a metal grill over the tweeter. The passive radiators are really rigid. The volume knob is super smooth and silky. Like these things are built well. Even the stands are just built nice and have rubber feet. The Kali Audios, on the other hand, are a pretty hollow build. They're like made out of some cheap plastic. They don't look that great. The volume's kind of finicky. I mean, it gets the job done, right? I think their goal with Kali Audio was to get the best sound quality out of this size, and they definitely did that. But of course, they had to take a hit on other stuff. So out of the two, the Atom Audios are easily the most well built, and I would say they are probably going to last the test of time a lot more because of the way they're built, right? All right, another key difference where the Atom Audios are going to take the win is the front headphone jack. This is super useful. If you're just plugging in with USB-C into here and you want to check your mix on headphones, plug it in right there, turn up the volume with this knob, and you're good to go. The headphone amp is great. It gets the job done. If you're using the Kalis, you have to, if you're using a simple setup like I am here, plug in your headphones, change the output. You know, it's a whole ordeal, especially if you're using like Logic or Fruity Loops. The whole like system resets and all that. This just makes it so much easier, you know. To the professional, to be honest, the professional is not going to use Bluetooth. Let's keep it real. They're going to use this headphone jack a lot more than they use Bluetooth. The whole time I've had these, I used Bluetooth once. All right. So this is a usable feature. I'll take this any day over Bluetooth, hands down. The second major thing that Atom Audio wins with is a stand. Just having these pointed up a little bit makes a huge difference to your ears. This is an all-in-one package. Like, you can order these. It comes with the USB-C cable. Plug it straight in, and you are good to go. Kali's, on the other hand, no stand, but they have rubber feet. They're pretty solid, but you still gotta wiggle them up a little bit to get the sound quality out of these. You have to. Like, there's no way you're gonna put this on a desk like this, even though it's a standing desk, and expect to get sound qualities. You have to put these on the stand. The stand might cost you, $50, or get some ISO acoustics, which I recommend. They're like $100 or something, right? So, like I said, the Atom Audios come with everything you need in the pack. Kali's don't. I recommend some kind of stand with these. So that, I would say, is a major differences between the two. They're both amazing speakers, and I would highly recommend these to anybody. For this price, I don't think there's anything else. Like, there might be iLouds, but they're a lot more money, and honestly, they don't look very great. So Kali Audio and Atom Audio did a great job with these, and it's really up to you on what you want these for. First of all, do not buy these speakers if you're going to be mixing solely on these. You're not going to get away with that, all right? That's first and foremost. You're going to need to use headphones or another set of monitors to really check your mixes. So Atom Audio knows that. These are not marketed to like audio engineers solely. They're more for like producers, for, video editors, people sitting at a desk and they want a quality sound. That's what these speakers are for. Kali's are more marketed towards audio engineers, and they do have a great sound quality, so that would work, right? But you're not going to be able to take these on the go unless you put them in like some really secure box. The Atom Audios, you can literally throw them in your backpack. They were built super, super well. And here's these on stands over here if you guys want some reference. And if you guys have any more questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comments, and I would be happy to reply and give you guys some more information about these if you're into that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed.